Hello, welcome to Green Home, presented by Steel. My name is Gail, and today I got a new DIY project for you. In my last video, we built an herb garden, and today we will get you relaxing in no time with a pallet sofa. For this project, you will need two similar sized pallets, a sander, drill and screws, Steel GTA 26 battery handheld pruning saw, and two 4x4x8 fence posts. Let's start by sanding your two pallets and armrests. For the armrests, you can select the lumber of your choice, but if you want to save on some materials, you can use leftover pieces from another pallet. Next, cut the leg boards to your desired height. Here, we're going to cut our leg boards using the GTA 26 to 24 inches. The first step to assembling it is affixing the two pallets together using your drill and screws. Set the seat pallet on the ground. Next, place the backrest pallet on the seat pallet, forming a 90-degree angle. You will need the two pallets to be securely attached together. Next, we're going to attach the legs. For this episode, we are setting the height of the pallet sofa at 16 inches, plus another 8 inches for the armrest. This is why we cut the legs originally at 24 inches. You don't need to follow these measurements. Feel free to adjust them to your liking. Now it's time to attach the armrest. If you'd like to stain or paint your pallet sofa, now is the time to do it and seal with a clear varnish if you desire. Finish off your pallet sofa with cushions, decorative pillows, a warm blanket, or anything else that makes this a comfy spot to enjoy in your living space. Okay, this beautiful pallet sofa is ready to go. We are done for now, and I'm going to enjoy this. Don't forget to watch my next video where we will build an outdoor bar together. See you next time.